Namaste, India. Welcome to this special edition of a school radio Azadi Echoes, celebrating the freedom, presented by the proud voices of Pallavi Aware International School. I'm Afshin Fazilat and I'm joined by five amazing friends: Sai Akshara, Samanvita, Varshini, Akul Sai, and Nehali. As we take you on a heart-touching, soul-lifting, and thought-provoking journey through the echoes of India's freedom. So tighten your seatbelts as we travel through time, rhyme, and pride. The famous patriotic lines from Sare Jahan Se Acha, written by Muhammad Iqbal in Hindi, are now presented in English and other Indian languages.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा। मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, हिंदी है हम, वतन है हिंदुस्तान हमारा। In English, better than the entire world is our Hindustan. We are its nightingales and it is our garden. Religion does not teach us to bear animosity among ourselves. We are Indians and Hindustan is our homeland.
In Telugu, ప్రపంచంలో అందరికంటే మేము ఇష్టపడే హిందుస్థాన్. మేము దీని కోయిలలో, ఇది మా పూల తోట. మతం మన మధ్య ద్వేషాన్ని నేర్పదు. మేము భారతీయులం. హిందుస్థాన్ మా దేశం. ఇన్ తమిళ్, இல்ஹத்தில் எல்லா நாடுகளே வித சிறந்தது நாம் ஹிந்துஸ்தான். நாம் இந்த கைகள் இது நாம் பூகானம். மதம் ஒரு திருதம் ஒருத்தருக்கு பாகை செய்ய சொல்லாது. நாம் இதியர்கள் ഹിന്ദുസ്ഥാൻ നാം തൈ നിലം.
ഇൻ മലയാളം, ലോകത്തിലെ എല്ലാ രാജ്യങ്ങളിലും നാണയത്ത് നമ്മದೇ ഹിന്ദുസ്ഥാൻ. നമ്മൾ ആണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ ബുൽബുലക്കൾ. ഇത് നമ്മದೇ പുഷ്പവനം. മതം നമ്മളിൽ ദ്വേഷം പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നില്ല. നമ്മൾ ಭಾರತೀಯರು. ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ್ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ನಾಡು ಆನ. ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗಳಿಗೆ ಜಿಂತ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ್. ನಾವು ಅದರ ಬುಲ್ಬುಲ್ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳು. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೂವಿನ ತೋಟ. ಧರ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ದ್ವೇಷ ಕಲಿಸಿ ಉಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರು, ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ.
In Bengali, सारे जहान तेके बालो अमादर हिंदुस्तान, अमरा तार बुलबुल एता अमादर फूलर बगान, धर्म अमादर मोद्य बैरवता शिकायना, अमरा भारतीय हिंदुस्तान अमादर देश. In मराठी, साऱ्या जगातून सर्वोत्तम आमचा हिंदुस्तान, आम्ही त्याचा बुलबुल, हा आमचा फुलांचा बाग आहे. धर्म कधीही द्वेष शिकवत नाही. आम्ही भारतीय हिंदुस्तान आमचा देश आहे.
In Gujarati, सारा जगती सारू छे अपनो हिंदुस्तान, आमे एना बुलबुल छे आ छे अपनो गुलिस्तान. धर्म क्यारे पान एक बीजामा वेर रखवू शिकवतो नथी. अमे हिंदुस्तान छे, हिंदुस्तान अपनो वतन छे. In Punjabi, सारे जहां तो वद्या हिंदुस्तान सदा, असी इस दे बुलबुल हाँ एक गुलिस्तान साडा. धर्म सदे विच बैर रखना नहीं सिखांदा. असी हिंदुस्तानी है ते हिंदुस्तान साडा वतन है.
Dear listeners, as India prepares to celebrate its 79th Independence Day, we take a moment to reflect on the sacrifices, the dreams, and the hopes that built a great nation. Let the echoes of freedom ring through our hearts.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said, at the stroke of midnight hour when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. Yes, it was 15th August 1947, but before that glorious dawn came endless nights of struggle. Bhagat Singh said, "They may kill me, but they cannot take my ideas." From the salt-laden shores of Dundee to the iron bars of the British prisons, freedom fighters marched on with only one goal: Azad. Chains couldn't hold and bullets couldn't bind. The fire of freedom burned in every mind. From fields to courts, in every lane, their sacrifice was never in vain. 15th August 1947, a date etched in gold. India woke up to freedom after almost 200 years of British rule. The air smelled of sacrifice, unity, and victory. Great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and Rani Lakshmi Bai became eternal symbols of courage. Their voices still whisper to us, never take our freedom for granted.
Voices of the people. Vande Mataram Inkilab Zindabad. The slogans still echo in our hearts. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose told, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom." It wasn't just about war, but it was about words, movements, and mind power. From Gandhiji's Ahimsa to Bose's Azad Hind Fauj, every effort added a brick to the wall of independence, spinning a chakra or raising a flag. Each act fought off the British drag. They taught us strength, they taught us pride. In every freedom fighter, India resides. They dreamt of a nation where children laugh freely, women walk safely, and every voice is heard. Freedom wasn't won in a day. It was woven into threads of every protest, every satyagraha, every jail cell. It echoed through the slogans of Vande Mataram, Inkilab Zindabad. It rang through the hearts of millions who struggled over silence. We owe them not just remembrance, but responsibility.
Voice of today. Ambedkar said, "Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of our life." Let's ask ourselves today, are we respecting our freedom? Are we protecting our country's values? Azadi is not just hosting a flag, it's in each honest step we drag, in helping others, in staying true. In all good things, we say and do. And today, we are living their dream, studying in free schools, speaking our minds, and waving our flag with pride. But wait, freedom is not just a right, it's a responsibility. Today, as students, we enjoy the fruits of that hard won freedom. We have the right to education, to dream, to speak, and to stand tall. But with rights come duties. We have to be honest, responsible, and united citizens. Our tricolor isn't just a flag, it's a symbol of love, trust, and hope, and unity in diversity.
Voice of progress. India is marching forward to Mars and beyond, into digital dreams, winning cricket cups, and shining in arts and innovations. We have youngsters with old wisdom. Unity in diversity is our superpower. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it, said Bal Gangadhar Tilak. But remember, friends, true Swaraj lies not in power but in people. The farmer, the teacher, the soldiers, the student, we all build the nation. From Kanyakumari to snowy peaks, India's glory in every street speaks. Different we look, yet hearts the same. Unity is our victory game. India today is shining in every field, from space missions to startups, from sports to science. Our country is diverse and unique in the world, and the future belongs to us. Let's celebrate our freedom not just with parades but with purpose. Let's innovate, educate, and elevate our nation to even greater heights.
Poetic voice. So, as we celebrate this Independence Day, let's not just wave flags or enjoy the holiday. Let's echo the spirit of our freedom fighters. Let's honor the tricolor with our character and actions. Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country, said John F. Kennedy, which is relevant across nations. Let's light a lamp not just in hands, but in the hearts across the lands. For India's dream, we all must live. Let the echo of freedom resound in every classroom, every home, every heart. Let us rise as proud Indians, guided by our glorious past and driven by our powerful dreams. On this Independence Day, let's promise to protect our freedom, to honor our flag, to serve our country in thought, word, and deed. Jai Hind.
Before we sign off, let's all rise in our hearts and repeat those powerful slogans that shook empires. These voices that carry the pride of India's past and the promise of its future. Let the echoes of freedom never fade. Let the torch of patriotism always blaze. Happy Independence Day! Jai Hind!
Na na ni na na
na na ni na na
na
na na na na na na na
దేశం మనదే
తేజం మనదే దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే
నీతి మనదే
జాతి మనదే
నీతి
మనదే జాతి మనదే ప్రజల అండదండ మనదే అందాల బంధం ఉంది ఈ నేలలో, ఆత్మీయ రాగం ఉంది ఈ గాలిలో.
ఏ కులమైనా
ఏ మతమైనా, ఏ కులమైనా, ఏ మతమైనా భరతమాతకొకటే లేరా. ఎన్ని భేదాలున్నా, మాకెన్ని తేడాలున్నా, దేశమంటే ఏకమవుతాం అంతా ఈ వేళ.
వందే మాతరం
అందామందరం, వందే మాతరం అందామందరం. దేశం మనదే, తేజం మనదే, దేశం మనదే, తేజం మనదే, ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే. నీతి మనదే, జాతి మనదే, ప్రజల అండదండా మనదే.
सिंहासन हिल उठे, राजवंशों ने ब्रिकटी तानी थी, बूढ़े भारत में भी आई फिर से नई जमानी थी. गुमी हुई आज़ादी की कीमत सबने पहचानी थी, दूर फिरंगी को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी. चमक उठी सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी, बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी.
कानपुर के नाना की वो मुंह बोली बहन छावेली थी, लक्ष्मीबाई नाम पिता की वो संतान अकेली थी. नाना के संग पढ़ती थी वो, नाना के संग खेलती थी, बर्ची दाल कृपन कटारी उसकी यही सहेली थी. वीर शिवाजी के गाथाएं उसकी याद जबानी थी, बुंदेली हर बोलो की मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी.
लक्ष्मी थी या दुर्गा थी वह स्वयं वीरता की अवतार, देख मराठे पुलकित होते उसके तलवारों के वार. नकली युद्ध व्यू की रचना और खेलना खूब शिकार, सैन्य घेरना दुर्ग तोड़ना ये थे उसके प्रिय खिलवाड़. महाराष्ट्र कुलदेवी उसकी भी आराध्य भवानी थी, बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. जय हिंद.